Pompano Beach, Florida, is the ideal location for top-notch window installation services. Whether you're looking for residential window services Pompano Beach or commercial window services Pompano Beach, our team provides expert solutions tailored to your needs. From energy-efficient windows Pompano Beach to custom windows. Pompano Beach, we ensure your property is equipped with the best. For those in need of window replacement in Pompano Beach, our skilled technicians are ready to assist. We specialize in fixing all types of windows, including vinyl windows, Pompano Beach, and aluminum windows, Pompano Beach. Our window replacement services ensure your windows are functioning optimally, providing safety and energy efficiency. Upgrade your home with our window replacement Pompano Beach services. We offer a wide range of options, including double-hung windows, Pompano Beach, sliding windows, Pompano Beach, and casement windows, Pompano Beach. Our window replacement solutions enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your property. Protect your home with hurricane impact windows, Pompano Beach. These windows are designed to withstand severe weather conditions, providing peace of mind during hurricane season. Our impact windows, Pompano Beach, are a must-have for any Pompano Beach resident looking to safeguard their home. Enhance your property's curb appeal with our custom windows, Pompano Beach. We offer a variety of styles, including bay windows, Pompano Beach, bow windows, Pompano Beach, and picture windows, Pompano Beach. Our custom windows are designed to fit your unique style and preferences. Maintain the longevity of your windows with our window maintenance, Pompano Beach services. Regular maintenance ensures your windows remain in top condition, preventing costly replacements down the line. Our team provides comprehensive window cleaning Pompano Beach and window glazing Pompano Beach services. Add privacy and style to your home with our window treatments Pompano Beach. We offer a range of options, including window blinds Pompano Beach, window shutters Pompano Beach, and window screens Pompano Beach. Our window treatments are designed to complement your interior decor while providing functionality. For those seeking energy-efficient solutions, our energy-efficient windows, Pompano Beach, are the perfect choice. These windows help reduce energy costs by improving insulation and minimizing heat transfer. Our energy-efficient windows are an excellent investment for any Pompano Beach property. Our window tinting Pompano Beach services offer additional benefits, such as reducing glare and protecting your interiors from UV damage. Window tinting is a cost-effective way to enhance comfort and privacy in your home or business. Choose our awning windows. Pompano Beach, for a stylish and functional addition to your property. These windows provide excellent ventilation and are perfect for areas with limited space. Our awning windows are a popular choice among Pompano Beach residents.